Hey guys, this is how to do the green screen video effect on Kinemaster. So first thing you need to do is just have a green screen video. You can download this from online stock video websites, or it's just screen record it from YouTube, or just use the video assets in Kinemaster. You can do whatever you want. So for me, I'm just gonna use the video assets in Kinemaster. So what I need to do is just click on layer. Actually, let me just play the video for you first so you can see what's going on and what I'm gonna do. So yep, I just have this transition right here for like this clock wipe transition. Oh, I don't have the clock wipe transition. Okay, I just don't have any kind of transition. It's just this video. So I'll just add a layer, click on layer. Then click on media. Then you either just upload the video that I already have or just use the media assets. So I'll just click on video assets, and maybe I'll just do the Looney Tunes thingy, or is it the lion? Yeah, should be the lion there. So I'll just go back. And what I'm gonna do is just resize this to fit the entire screen. And I want the numbers to appear in this part in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is just on the right side, I'll scroll down till I find chroma key. I'll click on that. Then click enable. Maybe I'll resize it to just fit the numbers. Yep, just like that. And then let's play it out. Oh, let me just resize it till it fits the only the numbers part. Okay, let's play that. And looking pretty good. So yep, this is how to add the green screen effect in Kinemaster. Hope that video is helpful.